Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. It's nice to see you here today. Today I'm doing something a little bit new. Today we're gonna attempt a salon style blowout with these rollers. Now if you're here for a tutorial, buckle up because to be honest, here's the situation. Pretty much, I have 45 minutes till work. So I need to do my hair and leave it in for 30 minutes. And gotta finish my breakfast all at the same time. So, we're in a wee bit of a rush. But anyways, hello, I'm Heather. Welcome back to another Vlogmas Day video. It's nice to have you here. So, this is not necessarily gonna be a tutorial because, TBH, I'm kind of doing it for the first time in a very, very long time. I bought these 2 years ago because I've been seeing them on TikTok because I was like, oh, heatless curls sound awesome because I don't want to over damage my hair. I don't like to use too much heat on it when I can avoid it. So pretty much what you're supposed to do is when you get out of the shower, you let your hair air dry and then you roll them up with these rollers, leave them in for about an hour, and you should have a salon style blowout. And my hair was a lot shorter then. This is how long my hair is. It's like medium long, actually, I would say. So I haven't done this on my hair since it was a lot shorter. So this is what it's gonna look like if you have medium to long length hair. So if it doesn't come out that great, you know, it'll just be something we will enjoy together. I did watch one singular TikTok in reference to how to do this. I can show you the techniques. So pretty much we're gonna start with what we have, the materials that you're gonna need. So first I got these 3 different sized rollers. Then I got these clips, these pin clips. I actually don't have enough of these pins for some reason. I thought I had enough for each one, but I'm gonna have to use some bobby pins. And lastly is I'm going to use my flat iron / curling iron. So I said I wanted to do heatless. You can still do this heatless, I just don't have the time for that. So for today, I'm gonna use the heat just because I need a little bit of extra help. But this is a curler / flat iron. And I guess that's pretty much it. Aside from that, just need something to hold your hair up and maybe a little bit of hairspray. I've got 8 of these rollers, so now I'm gonna part my hair into 8 different pieces. So basically the hair we're working with right now is I showered last night and I let my hair air dry. And then I put it into a braid so that I could sleep. So that is the hair we're working with right now. Okay, 4 sections. Ooh, it is very, very curly right now. Okay, so I'm gonna heat it up and then at the very end, I'm going to curl it inward. Ooh, I think it can have more of a curl. I'm gonna curl it inward at the bottom. And I'm gonna take the big roller. And what you wanna do here is pull the hair. I know that that was something very important they said, which was to pull the hair very tight away from your head. Ooh, a little piece came out. All right. Okay, not bad. I think we can do this. All right, other side, we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Curling it, pull it very tightly. I guess I'll put it at the top. Nice! So now I have to divide the top part into 4 parts. We only have 8 rollers. How the frick are you supposed to do this with only 8 rollers? And also, for you guys to know, I do have bangs in the front, which I'm gonna just roll up with the rest of it. So I want to heat them away from my face. Roller. And nice. I'm gonna use a bobby pin for this one because it's a smaller one. I hope 8 rollers is enough. I'm starting to think that maybe it's not. Actually, I'm gonna do this one rolling upwards. It is good to alternate which way that you roll the curlers. So I'm gonna roll it this way. Okay, I think I'm trying to curl too much hair at a time. Let's try this. That is definitely not what that's supposed to look like. Okay, that's the one. Only took 3 attempts. That's how it's looking. Okay, we've got about 10 minutes to get this side done. Let's go. Are these getting better as we're going along? I do think so. Oh yeah, that one is very tight on my head. Nice. Last one. I feel all American doing this. Makes me want to listen to the new Olivia Rodrigo album. Cause you know how she has that photo where she has like the Coca-Cola bottles curling her hair? I should have done this with Coke bottles. That would have been so iconic. Where she has the Coke cans to curl her hair. That would have been iconic. That would have been a look. I should try that. What do y'all think?
Alright, I'm gonna have to be honest with you guys. When I had shorter hair, 8 rollers was enough, but I still have the whole backside of my head that is not complete yet. So I'm gonna have one small roller left. But now that I have long hair, I should have bought a whole new pack for the back of it. Oh my god, the bobby pins won't stay either. Oh, this is horrible. Okay, that is not too bad. And you know what? We did a good amount of time. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this in my hair for as long as I can while I finish getting ready for work. And when I come back, we will see how they look. Maybe like 15 to 20 more minutes is kind of all I've got before I have to go. We'll take them out, see what they look like. All right, okay, it's been about 25 minutes and I really need to go. So let's go ahead and do the big reveal now. So in total, you'll definitely need a minimum of 45 minutes to get this look. Let's go ahead and do the first one. Okay, so apparently when you release the curl, the technique is that you have to roll it in the direction that you rolled it up when you're releasing it. Also, I'm going to have some hairspray out. Okay. I'm gonna pull it out of my hair at the same time. Like I'm definitely putting some tension on it. Okay. Ooh, it feels so soft. Let's do the other side. I'm gonna keep this technique of pulling and rolling. Okay, that's how the end came out. Nice. Okay, and I think the reason why you curl and pull is so that you don't tug your hair out and just get it tangled. Oh, my hair really feels so soft. I keep talking about how it's soft, but I actually put a hair mask in it yesterday. My hair is so loose. I need to get a haircut. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, this side came out really nice. There's a bit of a dent, not gonna lie, up here. This one. Okay. Oh, the bangs are what I'm a little bit nervous about. The middle. Okay. Okay. That was funny. Okay, how do we feel? How do we feel? How do you feel about this? For the bangs, they really look fire. Whenever I use my flat iron on my bangs, they never come out like this. Like, this is the perfect shape for my curtain bangs. I really like how these look. This side has always been a little bit whack, but this side looks really, really nice. I really like how flowy it looks. Okay. Definitely the left side is killing it. Right side needs a little bit of work there. But not bad, like, okay. I was fully expecting this to be a dud, but honestly, a few things we learned here today. One, for long to medium to long hair, definitely need more than 8 rollers. I would get 12 rollers. 2, leave the rollers in your hair as long as you possibly can. The #1 benefit of this is it did give me a lot more volume. And lastly, I'm just gonna put a little bit of hairspray. Hold it in. I would love to actually try this out with authentically without heat and see how they come out as well. Okay, so yeah, not really an expert at this, but I will say I had always wanted to know what it looked like on medium to long length hair. Now you guys can tell. I will also say it seems like a good haircut with different layers could make the waves look a lot better as well. So if you have layers in your hair, I'm sure it'll come out better. I don't have any layers in my hair. I just have wisps in the front, which kind of came out, and I think that that really made a difference. So haircut really matters for this look, I would say. Okay, that's what rollers look like on medium to long length hair. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye.